In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Todoist settings using either the desktop browser or the desktop app. Whether you're a new user trying to get the hang of Todoist or someone looking to customize your experience, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. You can do this through your preferred web browser or by using the desktop app, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll either see your profile picture or your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo yet. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop down menu will appear presenting you with several options. For now, focus on selecting settings from this menu. Clicking on settings will take you to a new menu with various tabs that allow you to customize your Todoist experience to better suit your needs. Now, once you're in the settings menu, you'll notice several distinct tabs. Let's go through them one by one to give you a better understanding of what each offers. The first tab is General. Within this section, you can change personal information like your name or email, update your password, or even tweak your language preferences if you work in a multilingual environment. The next tab is Theme. This is where you can inject a bit of personality into your Todoist interface by changing its look and feel. Choose from an array of themes that suit your aesthetic preference. It's a simple but effective way to make your workspace a bit more inviting. Moving on, we have the Notifications tab. Here's where you manage how Todoist alerts you to updates, deadlines, and tasks. Tailor the notifications you receive so you're only bothered by what's essential, ensuring an efficient workflow. Next, the subscription tab offers an overview of your current plan. Here you can view and manage your subscription details. Whether you're on the free tier or a paid plan, this is the place to keep tabs on your account. For those who like to maximize productivity with multiple tools, the Integrations tab is where you can connect Todoist to other apps you might be using, such as Google Calendar or Slack. This integration ensures your workflow remains seamless across platforms. Lastly, the Reminders tab is available for pro or business users, letting you adjust your default reminder settings to ensure you never miss a critical deadline. Once you've made the necessary changes, most will apply automatically. However, for certain settings, you might need to click Save or Apply to confirm the changes, so take a moment to look for those options after making adjustments. And there you have it. Changing your settings in Todoist is straightforward and opens up so many possibilities to make the tool work just the way you want. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.